Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a CapCut tutorial on how to add a vignette. If you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate that. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is I don't really understand why this isn't on the PC version. Like I looked at it exactly the same and I wanted to show you guys that as well, but it's not there. I think that CapCut is pretty new to its PC counterpart or something like that, and it just doesn't have everything kind of sorted out. I don't really know what it is, but it is missing a lot of features. But anyway, to go ahead and do it, all you need to do is click on the video that you want to add the vignette to, scroll to the right there, hit the adjust, scroll all the way down to the end towards the right, and then click on the vignette tab. And then you can go ahead and use this scroller to go ahead and add any vignette to your video. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a CapCut